In this room we could use the touchscreen over there to start the meeting, or if we had a visitor wanting to join in with the WPP30, you simply connect that to the computer and press the button, and you can then use the room kit without the need to actually start the meeting from the room itself. So as you can see there, in BYOD mode, that will connect the wall-mounted speaker and mic unit to the computer, and we can start video. And instead of using the inbuilt camera on the laptop, it will use the room kit, and you can join the meeting this way wirelessly with your WPP30, and that can also be used for content sharing. This system is running a native Zoom kit, and the wall-mounted unit there is the S40, which is the new Yealink product that supports these multi-use connectivity types. AV King if you'd like a demo.